Ever dreamed of earning passive income while working from anywhere? Affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to start and grow a successful affiliate marketing career, even if you're a complete beginner. Hi, I'm Flo Wealth. This channel is dedicated to helping you discover the easiest and most effective ways to make money online by sharing a variety of options available to you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily updates. Let's get started and let the wealth flow. So, what is affiliate marketing? It's a business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You share a unique link, and when someone clicks and buys, you get paid. It's simple, scalable, and has unlimited potential if done right. The first step to success is choosing a niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. It could be fitness, tech, beauty, or travel. Research market demand using tools like Google Trends or SEMrush. Evaluate competition. A niche with moderate competition often has room for growth. For example, instead of general fitness, target niches like home workouts or yoga gear. Next, you'll need to join affiliate programs. Here are some great options for you, like 1. Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners with a wide product range. 2. ClickBank, great for digital products with high commission rates. 3. ShareASale and CJ Affiliate, ideal for niche-specific products and services. Look for programs with solid reputations, high commissions, and products your audience will love. To promote your affiliate products, you need a platform. Choose one based on your strengths. Start a blog if you enjoy writing. Focus on SEO for traffic. Create a YouTube channel for product reviews, tutorials, or niche-related tips. Use Instagram or TikTok to engage with audiences through short, captivating content. Stay consistent with your content and build a brand your audience trusts. There are 3 ways to create high-quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Here's how to stand out. Solve problems with your content. Review products, compare alternatives, or share helpful guides. Use engaging formats like top 5 lists, how-to videos, or personal success stories. Be transparent with your audience by disclosing affiliate links. It builds trust and credibility. No traffic, no sales. Here's how to drive traffic to your links. With SEO, optimize your blog posts or videos with relevant keywords. On social media, use Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to share bite-sized content. Through email marketing, build an email list with freebies or exclusive content. Don't forget to experiment with paid ads once you're generating income. Next is tracking and optimizing your results. Track what's working and what's not. Use tools like Google Analytics or the analytics dashboard of your affiliate program to monitor clicks, conversions, and revenue. Double down on high-performing content. Replace underperforming products with better alternatives. Experiment with new strategies to keep growing your income. Once you're earning consistently, it's time to scale your affiliate business by expanding into complementary niches, partnering with higher ticket affiliate programs to boost your commissions, automating repetitive tasks with tools like email marketing software or content schedulers. Keep reinvesting in your business for bigger and better results. There you have it, your complete roadmap to building a successful affiliate marketing career. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more online business tips. Have questions or need help getting started? Drop them in the comments and I'll be here to help. YouTube Shorts. Want to turn clicks into cash? Here's how to start a successful affiliate marketing career for yourself. 1. Choose a niche you love, like fitness, tech, or travel. 2. Join top affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. 3. Build your platform on blog, YouTube channel, or social media. 4. Create value-packed content that solves problems and builds trust. 5. Drive traffic with SEO, social media, and email marketing. Affiliate marketing can unlock passive income. Are you ready to start? Like, subscribe, and let's grow together.